Hello, I'm Chef Jennifer Booker, the owner and executive chef of Your Resident Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a margarita in a blender. These are the ingredients we'll need: lime juice, ice, tequila, and you can always use triple sec, but we won't today. First thing we'll do, add our ice to our blender, a little bit of lime juice, a healthy shot of tequila, and then we want to place our lid on the blender and give it a pulse for about 3 seconds. You can always blend it a little more. I'm Your Resident Gourmet, and this is how you make a margarita in a